Real quick, I wanted to, first of all, good morning. I hope you guys are doing all right. I am here in the studio as usual, per usual. Cheers. This is my coffee. So I want to get right into it, but I do want to give you a little context. I shot this video twice, and there's a reason for that. One, that's just a creative process, but I was really tired last night when I shot it, and I didn't like the energy of it. I wanted to change the lighting a little bit. I want to turn off that fan because it rattles. Coming back to this project, I wanted to take it and make it my own and make some changes. So I'm going to show you from, the most logical steps on how to scrape Google for leads, okay? With AI, which is really awesome, it's really fun. That's why I call it Cyborg Leads, because you're taking your normal reach and you're using technology to make it stronger and reach further and reach multiple places at once and lots of stuff like that. You get it, like a cyborg. And so we're going to make it a 3-part video. The first part is going to be getting the leads. The second part is going to be contacting the leads. And then the third part is going to be the actually maturing the leads. And it's really just going to be closing them at that point, because if you have reached them correctly and effectively and efficiently, and you have a good service, which we're going to talk about in that third video, or a good offer, a good question, whatever it is you're trying to do with these contacts, man, you're going to knock it out of the park. So those are going to be those 3 videos. It's going to be helpful for you. It's going to be helpful for me. I'm going to be using this for Quick Drone Pro in the Mid-South because I'm expanding out here finally. And we're going to take it from the prompt. So the prompt, let's go. Word. So this is the prompt that I end up going with and giving me the best results for me. Please logically format this data into a CSV file. Ensure the columns are location, full name, email address, company name, website, link, phone number. Remove all duplicates from the CSV file. Please provide the cleaned file, okay? Now, I got rid of the ellipse and added in the colon, okay? Or semicolon, I don't know. Whatever. I think it's colon. So that's what I use to put in there. Now, from here, we go in. So everything worked before, the first way that I tried it, but I started messing with it to see if I can make it a little bit better, and I did. So I added the word logically, and then at the end, I added, please provide the clean file, because it kept asking me if I wanted the file, and it said that it was created, or it would say, hey, give me the information. It was really not sure. I also changed in the beginning, please logically format the data. I changed that to this data, okay? So those are little tweaks. The prompts are everything when you're working with AI in general, and basically everybody who is creating an AI tool is essentially creating a new prompt for a different artificial intelligence model. Okay, that's the way I've understood it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but at the end of the day, it worked for what I needed it to, and that's all I care about, okay? So pop that in there, popped it into good old ChatGPT. Cool. So we copied that. Cool. Command all. We're going to copy that. Go to my ChatGPT. Okay. We're going to paste that. Going to expand that. Make sure it gets all the prompt. So real quick, I want to show you how I made this file. This is my Google Doc with all of the data in it. So I'm going to close this out, open up a new file, no problem. Cool, new leads, all right. And then I'm gonna go to Safari, and you see how it's already highlighted, okay? So that you're kind of getting a preview. You type in whatever you want to find and where, and then you just do + phone number. For me, I did phone number. You can also do + email address, or whatever you want to do there, because all that's going to do is going to hone in on whatever you put after the plus sign. I really want phone numbers. I want to call people. I want to get people on the phone. So that's how I did this. But this will also give me all the information I need because all the information for our spreadsheet is in the same area. So I take all this, I hit Command A, I hit Command C, and I go back to this document. I hit Command V, I allow paste, and it pops it all in there. You repeat that process with the different pages. You know what I mean? You can tweak the area. You can tweak email if you want to. There's a bunch of things you can do there, but then you just copy, repeat that Command A to select everything. You really want to use Command A. You don't want to have to, you want to like drag, and then Command C, and then go over to your document. Google Doc worked great for me. Command V, and it'll continue to, populate that information in this file. Then go back to my document. It has all my info in there. Control C, or Command C for me. Command V, pop it all in there, and let's see what it does. Okay, this is where the magic happens. It says analyzing. That is always a good sign. That means ChatGPT understands what you need, and it is doing what you said. It is analyzing the data as you requested, and creating the file that you need. Hopefully, we shall see. Now you just go refill your coffee or something like that. Just like that, it's done. So let's see what this file looks like. You may want to play with the prompt or anything. Let's just see. Okay, cool. So I put in phone numbers, as said, and this came out wonderfully. It gave me a lot. All these people are in areas that I want to expand to. Here's their name, company name. Here's their phone number. Here's their company name again. So full name and company name is a little redundant. No problem. That took no time, so I'm not tripping about any type of redundancy. So we're going to add to this, though. Please include associated email addresses and websites for these businesses. Remove the full name column because it was kind of redundant. Now it's analyzing again. I'm very hopeful because of how many businesses it found. Woo! I'm very proud. This is okay, and it's done just that quick. Let's see what that one looks like. Oh yeah. What? So okay, so we're gonna open this in a what do I want to open this in? I want to open this in Excel. Okay, cool. Open it in Excel. Save a copy because it's in read only. On my iPad. Construction leads. AI. Cool. Now that it's saved, I can go ahead in here, use my mouse because I like my mouse better. Make this neater real quick. I know this is something you all can do. Check this out. Here it is on the screen. You can see right here in front of you this morning again, because I did this a bunch of times to perfect this process for you guys. But now you can see we're going to do this, and we're going to hit Command T. Oops. So we're going to control all. I mean, we're going to actually we're Command All, right? We're going to hit Command T. We're going to turn this into a table, and yes, my table has headers. Boom! I have a table of usable new clients. I have 44 of them. That is a lot. If I were to turn one of these potential leads or one of these leads into a client, that would pay for more than my 5 minutes it took me to do this right in front of you guys. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Okay, so right there, we are done. You can see the table that I created right in front of you. I like Excel, but you can use whatever you want. We can talk about tables and spreadsheets at any time you like. I love them. They're fabulous. You can do so much with them, especially now that AI exists and I can now upload tables into different tools, which we will get into the next video when we talk about the first contact that you make with these leads. And we want to do it as quickly and as efficiently as possible, just like we scraped Google for them. This took no time. I could do this again for any industry in a couple minutes. Let me know if you want me to do that for you. If you're like, nope, I get it. I saw you just do it. I don't want to do it. I want you to do it. Go ahead and drop me a message. Shoot me a DM. I would love to do that for you, just to help out. If you're like, oh, I can sell every one of them. I just need their numbers. I just need their email addresses. I just need their, you know what I mean? And these are all beautifully organized email addresses. There are no duplicates. And I have 44 strong leads in the Mid-South, or just in Memphis and around Memphis, because I got Germantown and Bartlett, Collierville. Yeah, I can organize them based on location, right? A to Z right there. Boom. We got Bartlett, Collierville, Germantown, and the rest in Memphis. We got Oakland and South Haven right there. So this was helpful for me and Quick Drone Pro. I'm going to use these leads in the next video to contact them with a sincere, customized message in a heartbeat. Stay tuned for part 2 of Cyber Leads. Let's go. So there it is right in front of you. I have my table all beautifully organized for me to use in the next video, where we're going to take the next step in Cyborg Leads and actually reach out and touch somebody's inbox, okay? And with an offer or a question. I'm probably gonna start with a question to ask what they think they could. So there we go. We have our table all beautifully organized right there. It only took me a couple minutes, and it will also be as easy for you. If not, message me, and stay tuned for part 2, where we're gonna reach out and touch some of these leads. Okay, guys, so I really do hope you enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun for me putting this together and creating this list, this table, not just a list, this functional table that I'm gonna take into the next video and show you how to make first contact with your cyborg leads using AI as your superpower. All right, guys, peace.